Hey guys, sorry for the long hiatus here. I had family reunion and it's just been stinking hot outside, and have not been given a chance to get out here into my shop. So uh, shortly there will be some videos for you. I'm just gonna do some little bit of cleaning up. I haven't been out here so long, a spider started growing a web across my door. Looks like they've been kind of working overtime too. So in the meantime, I'll clean this up. And hopefully I'll post a video for you guys on Sunday. And hope you all are staying cool, because dang, it is hot out here. See you guys later. This will be the next little project, guys. We're going to finally get this thing off of its stand and back to cutting grass. I'm about 90% done with it. And of course it's sat like this for a little bit over a year now. I have started the motor periodically. It does run. I did give it a paint job, but the year has done kind of a number on it, so we'll have to kind of touch it up here and there. I did buy this, I bought the stickers. I had the stickers made for it. I gotta get a throttle cable again, and the thing the thing that burned me out on it was I was thinking of remaking the blade shaft, and of course it's metric. And if you're trying to do a metric thing in an American machine shop, I mean, good luck. So I'm probably just gonna reuse the old shaft, touch up the threads a little bit with a thread file, and throw it all back together again and call it good. Because we also have this one to redo, and I'm sure some people would like to see a snapper or two get redone, which I need to do also. So this is finishing up old projects before starting new ones, guys. Maybe a new concept to some of you, me included. But we'll restart it here soon if I don't get attacked by this bee that's right next to me. Anyway, hope your guys' summers are a little bit cooler than mine, but stay cool and inside, because that's where the air conditioner is. See you guys.